Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to stretch an image in Canva to get it exactly the size and proportions you need for your design. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Canva design where you want to add and stretch your image. Once you're in your design workspace, direct your attention to the left sidebar. You'll see several options there for adding elements to your canvas. Click on Uploads to access your personal image library and upload new files. Next, click the Upload Files button that appears in this section. This will open your computer's file browser, allowing you to select the image you want to work with. Browse through your folders, find the image you need, and select it to upload. Once you've selected your file, Canva will begin uploading it to your account. Give it a moment to process, especially if you're working with a larger image file. You'll see the image appear in your Uploads library once it's ready. Now that your image has been uploaded and appears in the Upload section, simply drag it onto your canvas. Click and hold on the image thumbnail, then drag it to wherever you want it positioned on your design. Once it's on the canvas, click the image to select it. You'll notice selection handles appear around the edges and corners of the image, which you'll use to stretch it. Here's where the stretching happens. Hover your cursor over one of the corner handles until it changes into a diagonal arrow. This diagonal arrow indicates you're ready to resize the image. Now, press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard. This is important because holding Shift while dragging allows you to stretch the image freely without maintaining its original proportions. While keeping Shift pressed, drag the corner handle outward. This will stretch the image both wider and taller simultaneously, giving you full control over the final dimensions. If you only want to stretch your image in one direction, you have that option too. To stretch the image horizontally and make it wider without affecting its height, hover over either the left or right handle on the side of the image. Hold Shift again and drag the handle outward to the left or right. The image will stretch only in that horizontal direction. Similarly, if you want to stretch the image vertically to make it taller, hover over either the top or bottom handle. Hold Shift and drag upward or downward, and the image will stretch only in that vertical direction. This gives you precise control over exactly how you want your image dimensions to change. Once you've stretched the image to your desired size, release the Shift key. The image will remain at the new dimensions you've set. Finally, double-click on the image to position it exactly the way you want it within the frame. This ensures your stretched image sits perfectly in your design. And that's it. You've successfully stretched your image in Canva to fit your exact specifications. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.